Hello and welcome to this video on the automatic detection of individual trees, from the combination of aerial imagery, LiDAR and environmental context. Made by Jaya, Applied Artificial Intelligence Group. This work aims to develop an automatic framework for the extraction of georeferenced trees, by joining LiDAR point clouds, aerial images, and the context of the existing GIS environment. Geographic Information Systems, GIS, allow to perform analysis based on georeference data. Trees are an important object that is not available in GIS datasets. Climate change makes them a key element for our future. So having a database that uniquely identifies each one would facilitate analysis and the work of scientists. It would also help in forest risk and fire mitigation tasks, as well as in detecting, predicting and acting quickly on other current problems, such as the drying out of holm oaks in Spain, due to fungi. In addition, it could be adapted to implement dynamic detection by UAVs. These are the steps for the development of the firmware. First, we need the data obtained by the LiDAR of the area. The colors that can be observed correspond to the surface on which the lasers of the LiDAR sensor have bounced, which allows us to determine the height of each surface. Next, we must perform a pre-processing of the data obtained by the LiDAR. First, we will perform a filtering by removing buildings, roads, etc. Then, we will apply a normalization, so only the height of the surfaces above the ground will be taken into account. Now, we will be able to obtain a canopy height model, CHM. Finally, we will perform a localization of the tree crowns, a necessary process to segment them, and thus serve as input for the detection model. Once we have the model of LiDAR detections, we must obtain an orthophoto of the same area. The LiDAR detections will be superimposed on it. As the orthophoto is equivalent to a cartographic plane, it will be used to determine the latitude and longitude of all the detected trees. The orthophoto will be segmented into images of the LiDAR detections, and it will be divided into training and test sets to obtain the final detection net model. The resulting model is applied on another image of the area, detecting the trees. Here, we can see a comparison of the results between the LiDAR detections model, in yellow color, and the one created from these detections, in blue color. Jaya hopes you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.